So this is my Google Classroom. This is the classwork tab.
Right from her bedroom, 9-year-old Grace Spencer is getting ready for her early morning math class.
I like being on the computer and actually being able to see my friends.
It's only the second week of school, but this fourth grader is already excelling at virtual learning.
I get up in the morning, I eat breakfast. We have a break at 10:10 and then we'll just keep going on with the day.
Grace says she misses being at school, but is staying connected through some of her favorite things like Google Classroom, the school's typing club, and of course, her teacher.
I really enjoy that she's really sweet. I've loved all my teachers that I've had.
All right, starting the minute countdown. Meet me in the main room.
And just on the other side of that screen at Encino Park Elementary is Miss Vandertulip.
I have an awesome group of kids. I've just been so impressed with their enthusiasm. Give me a high five.
She's having fun getting to know each of her students, including Grace.
Grace is such a hard-working, sweet student. She checks in to make sure she's got things right and just so kind and sweet.
This is Vandertulip's 14th year as an educator, and though her classroom may be empty, the day still very much resembles a typical school day, with morning announcements, live instruction, and even recess. And when it comes to teaching virtually, Vandertulip says everyone is learning something new each day.
Another thing that's been helping us in our classroom is having the kids share their screen with the teacher and with their classmates so that they can demonstrate how something looks on the student side.
Grace says all of the technology she's using now will ultimately prepare her for the future.
I want to be a nurse like my mom or a teacher.
It just feels like a big family, from the kids to the parents to the teachers. I grew up also in Northeast ISD. My children go here, and we're all just a big team and community, and it's just a really special place to be.
Because NEISD cares.